Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'll demonstrate how you can use Google Chrome Remote Desktop to remotely access your computer or share your screen with your friends and colleagues. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome and search for Google Remote Desktop or Chrome Remote Desktop. Click on the hyperlink. Over here, click on Access My Computer and click on the download button there. Right there. Essentially what we're doing, we're adding an extension for your Google Chrome. Click on Add Extension, which will start or initiate a download process for the extension. Click on Sync. Yes, I'm in on this one here. And click Cancel and Accept and Install. And over here, you have to click on Yes. So essentially what we're doing is we're adding a Google Remote Desktop host into your computer. Okay, once that's done, choose a name for your computer. Let's name this computer something apart from that laptop, something encrypted. So let's call it Super 6 maybe, and click Next. Next, you'll be choosing a pin. It's going to be at least 6 numbers for this pin. And then let's remove the check from Help Improve Chrome and click on Start. Let's not say never for now. Once that's done, the Google will set up and do all those things, and then after that, now your computer is online. Any of the Google Chrome Remote Desktop app can actually access your computer provided that you give them a PIN. Next, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and set up the second computer same way as what we did just now for a remote desktop. Okay, we're on the second computer here. Let's open Google Chrome again and Google the text again, Google Chrome Remote Desktop, and click on the hyperlink Chrome Remote Desktop here. And same thing, access my computer, download the extension, add extension, accept and install, yes over here, and start the installation process. As you can see, we have to assign a new name for this. We're going to call this Test Desktop. Click Next. Assign a 6-digit number here, at least 6-digit. Remove the checkbox here. Oops. And then start. Close this one. Don't remember the password. Say yes. And we're starting and waiting for the text online to appear right under Test Desktop. Now we're online. That's another thing here. On the bottom right hand corner here, you can see they're proposing to install some sort of app. If you click on install here, essentially what we're doing is that it creates an app. It also uses a web browser, but it makes it look like it's a standalone app for Google Chrome, so that you don't really have to do a Google search for Google Chrome Remote Desktop to access this web page here. Pretty nifty tool. But anyway, now this is complete. So you have two computers. One computer, both of them has the Google Chrome Remote Desktop set up, and they're all ready to connect. Next, we'll set up this computer here, test computer, as one of the computer to remotely access by the Super 6 computer. So over here, you can see the PIN number that's given to you. It's got 5 minutes before it expires. So just copy it down somewhere for now. And we will swing over to the other computer and enter this PIN to access it. Now we're at Super 6 here. Let's search for Google Chrome Remote Desktop app here. And go inside here. Okay, now go Remote Support. And now this time around, say connect to another computer. The access code that you just penciled down a few minutes ago from the other computer has to be typed in here. Once you enter them, hit connect. And if you look at the other computer test desktop, you'll be prompted with this message that someone's trying to remotely control your computer. Just click on share. And you can see that Super 6 has now remotely access to your test desktop computer. Just for the sake of demonstration that we are not jumping around, I'm going to minimize this. As you can see on the background, you can see you're at Super 6 computer and on your Google Chrome browser, you're actually remotely accessing your desktop at test desktop there. I hope this tutorial helps. If it does, please thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, you have a good day. Bye.